Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable a portable hotspot on your DUOQIN F22 Pro phone. And the first thing I'm going to do is scroll from the top to the bottom to open up our control panel, then scroll down again to open it up even more. And then we're going to find our hotspot option. So if you don't have it anywhere right here, what you can do is scroll down more and click on the pen button to edit all of the tiles that we have available, and then scroll down right here and find the hotspot option. So for me it's right here, and now I'm going to hold it and drag it to the top into the space where all of my tiles are available. And once I'm done, I can click the back arrow to return, and here you can see now the hotspot option is available, and I can click on it to enable my hotspot, and then hold on the button itself to see all of the hotspot info. So you can click on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can see the name of the hotspot and the password that you can change. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.